If this year is about independence and staying healthy as you age, don't start with goals. Now, that might sound strange because January is usually full of resolutions and plans and big intentions. But when daily life already feels harder than it used to, adding goals can actually increase pressure, not progress. So today I want to show you a more effective place to start if independence and health is your focus for this year. Hey, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder of AskSAMIE, and I work with older adults and caregivers who want to help their loved ones stay independent and healthy. And one of the biggest mistakes I see is trying to fix everything at once. I love the motivation towards change, but independence and health doesn't come from doing more. It comes from making the right parts of the day easier. When people feel less independent or healthy, they often set goals like, I need to move more, I need to be stronger, I need to get back to normal. But those goals skip a super important step. They're not measurable. How do you know if you move more? With no numbers, you can never know when to congratulate yourself, which is so key for sticking to a changed behavior. If everyday routines already drain energy, goals become another task to manage and they quietly get dropped. As an OT, I prefer not to start with new goals. Instead, how can we plug a new habit into a current routine? So here's the question I want you to ask instead. Which part of my day feels harder than it should? Not the whole day, not everything at once, just one routine. Maybe the stairs leave you tired or unsteady, or mornings take much longer than they used to, or mealtime feels frustrated or exhausting, nighttime trips that feel unsafe or rushed. These are not failures, they are signals. When one routine is hard, it affects everything around it because you only have so much energy each day. And if you use half of your energy on a shower, then there's a ton less for you to work with through the day, and you get to a point where you only do the things that you have to and none of the things that you want to do. That's how routines shape confidence. When a routine becomes easier, something important happens. People move more. They participate more. They conserve energy. They feel capable again. And not just to do the things that they must do, but also to do the things that they want to do. This is exactly why we created AskSAMIE. It's designed to help you be transparent about your problems with SAMIE, our AI occupational therapist, get recommendations for the right tools and resources, and provide the feedback that you need to make changes without overwhelm. If you want to start 2026 strong with clarity and not pressure, subscribe to our newsletter in the description and chat with Sammy at AskSAMIE.com. Our tools are meant to bring back independence, help you stay healthy by increasing movement, social connection, and confidence to continue to maintain your ideal life. Now here's what supporting a routine actually looks like. If the stairs are an issue, you might need a railing or use a cane. If mornings are draining, it could be a dressing aid or easy on clothes that decrease time and energy spent. If mealtime is frustrating, adaptive utensils can reduce your effort. If nighttime feels unsafe, lighting and positioning make a big difference. When your routines feel easier, energy is preserved, movement increases, confidence grows, social connection is more likely, and independence and health is not about doing everything alone. It's about having systems and supports that let you keep doing what matters. And that starts with one routine, not a long list of goals. These are not big renovations. They are small adjustments that respect how your body works now, and you can find these recommendations linked in the description. So if this year is about independence and health, here is your starting point. Don't ask, what should I fix? Ask, which routine needs support first? Because when one part of the day feels easier, the whole day changes. If you're ready to begin thoughtfully, subscribe to our newsletter or our YouTube channel and use our insights as your roadmap for 2026. See you in the next one.